As a professional fiber clay planter manufacturer and wholesale planter supplier, Fancy Pottery provides durable and lightweight planter pots designed for global buyers. Our fiber clay pots combine a natural stone-like appearance with practical advantages such as lightweight, weather resistance, UV resistance, frost resistance, and indoor-outdoor use. These features make them suitable for garden centers, home decor retailers, importers, private label brands, landscape projects, and commercial decoration markets. The soft matte finish is also ideal for premium product displays. A clean cream color, smooth rounded shape, and low glare texture can make the whole planter collection feel more consistent, high-end, and retail-ready. For buyers looking for modern garden planters, outdoor planter pots, large fiber clay planters, or custom OEM planters, matte texture is a strong choice for both design value and market appeal. Fancy Pottery supports OEM and ODM planter customization, including custom sizes, colors, finishes, packaging, and private label solutions, helping buyers build reliable planter programs for wholesale and retail markets. Each Fancy Pottery fiber clay pot is 100% handmade, not machine-made, giving every planter a natural character and refined artisanal finish. Skilled craftsmen shape, smooth, paint, and inspect each piece by hand, creating subtle texture variations that make the collection feel authentic and premium. Compared with mass-produced pots, handmade fiber clay planters offer a warmer look, stronger design value, and better detail control for indoor and outdoor spaces.